Hey, everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'll be showing you how to make a quick and delicious pesto pasta using just a few simple ingredients. Let's get started. First, we'll need some pesto sauce. You can either make your own from scratch or use a good quality store-bought one like this. It saves a lot of time and still tastes amazing. Next, we'll add the cooked pasta. I have here about 8 ounces of cooked spaghetti, but you can use any pasta of your choice. Just make sure it's al dente. Now, let's give it a good toss to evenly coat the pasta with the pesto goodness. The vibrant green color is already making me hungry. To add some freshness and a burst of flavor, I'm going to toss in some halved cherry tomatoes. They bring a nice tanginess and a pop of color to the dish. And there you have it. Our pesto pasta is ready to be served. It's that simple. To finish it off, I like to sprinkle some grated Parmesan cheese on top. And of course, a few fresh basil leaves for that extra touch of herbal goodness. Absolutely delicious.